Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to your English literature class. We were doing poem number 3, Someone Came Knocking, in English Reader. So I hope you all are ready with your English Reader books out and the poem Someone Came Knocking. Yesterday we read the poem, or we rather recited the poem, and also understood its difficult words. Today we shall understand the poem, we shall comprehend the poem, and then do an exercise, comprehension exercise based on it. Now let's start. Someone came knocking at my wee small door. As I told you yesterday, wee means a tiny door, a very small door. So that means it must be a small house. A small house would have a small door. So we assume that it was a very small house, tiny cottage, and someone came knocking at the door of the cottage, the small door of the cottage rather. Someone came knocking, I'm sure. The poet is saying that I heard a knock at the door. The poet had heard a knock at the door. He's sure about it. I listened, I opened, I looked to left and right. Here the poet, who must be a child, is saying that I'm sure I heard, I listened the knock, and then I opened the door. I looked to both this left side and the right hand side, but could not see anything. But not there was a stirring means movement, and not means nothing. So there was no movement at all when I looked out of the door. The poet is saying, when I looked out, there was no movement at all in the still dark night. There was only this dark night outside without any movement. So, who could have knocked the door if there was no movement? Only the busy beetle tapping in the wall. Only from the forest the screech owl's call. Only busy beetle की, जैसे beetle is always busy with doing something, टैप 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 करके उसकी आवाज़ वॉल पे आ रही थी, और आउल की अजीब सी जो आवाज़ होती है, स्क्रीचिंग काइंड ऑफ अ साउंड दैट आउल टेक्स आउट, उस तरह की आवाज़ आ रही थी फॉरेस्ट से. द आउल्स कॉल, द स्क्रीच कॉल ऑफ द आउल, दैट कुड बी हर्ड. Only the cricket whistling while the dewdrops fall, and the child could also hear cricket, the insect which I mentioned yesterday, the green insect which comes sometimes mostly in rainy season or winters. So cricket insect ki whistling sound could also be heard while the dewdrops, when the dewdrops were falling. The dewdrops are the drops which fall on the grass or the leaves, right? Especially in winters. So there was no one outside when the child opened the door, and the child could see no movement at all outside. It was a still dark night. What could the child hear? Only some sound. That means that small little cottage was near the forest or the woods. That is why the child could hear the sound of nature. Owl की आवाज़, cricket की आवाज़, beetle की आवाज़ आ रही थी वॉल में. So those different sounds the child could hear in the night, but could not see anyone on opening the door. So I know not who came knocking at all. So the poet is saying, so I still don't know who came knocking, who had come knocking on my door, because I could not see anyone. I could not figure out any movement outside. Who could have caused the knock at my door? कोई हलचल नहीं थी बाहर जिसकी वजह से वो नॉक की आवाज़ हो सके मेरे दरवाजे पे. So the poet is surprised that who has caused this knock on my door. So I hope you understood the poem, children. Now let us come to the comprehension exercise. Now choose the correct options to answer the following questions. Let's do the first one. Children, I will be doing the first two. 1 and 2 I will do. 3 and 4 you shall do. You will be doing yourself in the class as classwork. But this all this has to be done in the book itself, not in your notebooks, only in your English reader books. Where did someone come knocking? At the window, at the small door, on the floor, on the roof. So the correct option is at the small door, the V small door. So the option B is the correct one. Number 2. The second question is, where did the poet look after opening the door? Left and right, up and down, east and west, north and south. So, refer to the lines of the poem. I listened, I opened, I looked to left and right. So, the correct option is A, left and right. The poet looked left and right after opening the door. Question 3 and 4. Who was tapping on the wall? What were the crickets doing? Please do tick the correct options and post them in your groups, children. That's all for today. The only homework that you have is to recite the poem, learn the poem, and understand it again, comprehend it. Thank you.